Hello everyone, welcome to this mighty service. Once again, this is a review customer number 1003. This is the iPhone 11. So customer bring us to replace the screen, and this is after replace the screen. So everything is perfect, and so if you have an iPhone or iPad, your screen was broken or you need to replace a new LCD, feel free to contact us at this mighty service. And we have 10 branches in total in Bangkok. So wherever you are in Bangkok, try to search on the Google Map mighty service and you will find our branch. So see you, I'm gonna say see you next video. Bye bye.